Hello everyone, this is Teacher J. Excel in PSLE Maths, question number 93. Mr. Green wants to buy a computer priced at $1,445. 格林先生想买一个电脑，这个电脑的价钱是1445元。And if Mr. Green makes a full payment 的意思就是全额付款啊，一次性的付清 ，make a full payment。He will enjoy a discount of 8%。这时候会有一个8%的折扣。那么我们的商家当然他都是非常希望，他的这个货呢，直接就对方直接交现金，或者直接转账就把这个东西就卖掉了。这样子呢，他不需要通过银行系统去做什么 installments 分期付款。分期付款是需要商家还是需要承担一笔费用的。And if he pays by installments， 这时候就是我们的分期付款 installments。No discount will be given， 当然这个优惠就不会再有了。And he will then have to pay 10% of the selling price. Selling price is here. Selling price of the computer and 12 monthly installments of 120 each month. How much does Mr. Green save if he were to pay in full instead of paying by installments? 这是两种付款方式啊，分期付款的题型。Okay, full payment. Let's take a look at full payment. $1,445 times the discount 1 whole minus 8%, the discount rate. Let's take a look at it. 计算器 1445 times 这里是0.92. All right. And the answer is 1329.4. 0.92. 1,320 and $29.40. All right. And for the installments, first, no discount on it, no discount at all. And down payment, 10% of it, down payment. That is $144.50, $144.50. And the installment of 12 monthly installments, 120 each times 12, 120 times 12, 1440, 1440. And total will be plus 144.50. Oh, sorry. $1,584.50. $1,584.50. Okay. How about how much does Mr. Green save? Mr. Green 会省多少钱呢？save 当然是用a larger amount, which is the installment minus the full payment in cash. OK， 平时不要去按这个 all clear 这样子我们的数字就可以保留了。The number is here, and minus 1329.4. Before you press the equal sign, please do check the numbers on the screen of the calculator before you calculate it. All right, and save 200 something. $255.10. That is the amount Mr. Green may save. 好吗？这就是我们的分期付款和一次性付清的区别。Okay, that is all for this question. Thanks for watching this video. This is Teacher J. I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.